Welcome back. Today I'm in Ladner, which is part of Greater Vancouver. It's in the south part, south of Richmond, in the kind of Delta area. And
wait.
I'm at a place here at the corner of 47th, Ladner Trunk Road and Arthur Elliott. Today, we're gonna go see a coffee shop. How you doing?
Yeah, good. Do you have a reservation?
No. I just wanted to take a little YouTube, but if we can't go in, it's okay. I'm doing a 111 places in Vancouver you don't want to miss.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Dankeschön. George C. Rifle. So rifle making German. So that's probably good. Land was donated and is now a beautiful bird sanctuary.
That's the no-go zone.
In Vancouver, you can get a dog license and you can get a license to keep chickens in your backyard. You can even get a beehive if you want. But if you want to keep a horse at home, you've got to live in the area that's called the Southlands. It's the only part of Vancouver where you can have a horse. This is the Southlands Riding Club, 400 members, riding, non-riding. They've got polo and all kinds of other show events every year. And for those that want to come south of the city center, about 10 kilometers, they're going to find golf courses and horses. Southland Riding Club. Oh, the other one? That one? Hi. Beautiful. Hi.
It's an interesting generation, man. They come up with these little 30 seconds of excitement.
We're coming to the end of the 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss series. And we've got a lot planned for what follows. Wrapping up the last of the places here at Prospect Point, Stanley Park. Beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Prospect Point, here on 26th July 1888. The steamer Beaver was wrecked. This historic vessel was built for the Hudson Bay Company at Blockwell, England in 1835. Sailed for this coast immediately and was the pioneer steamship of the Pacific Ocean. The story of the Beaver is the story of the early development of the western coast of Canada. It's a beautiful city, Vancouver, and it's a great book that tells a little bit of the story. 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Welcome back. Today I'm in Ladner, which is part of Greater Vancouver. It's in the south part, south of Richmond, in the kind of Delta area. And
wait.
I'm at a place here at the corner of 47th, Ladner Trunk Road and Arthur Elliott. Today we're gonna go see a coffee shop. It's in this little town, and it's in the book 111 Places in Vancouver You Should Not Miss. So let's go see how their coffee is, if we can find it. Stir Cafe. How you doing? You're gonna be on my YouTube.
Okay.
You're in the book I'm doing. 111 places in Vancouver.
Oh, and what number are we?
You are around 100 and something. I don't know the exact number.
We should be for.
I don't think it has to do with it has to do with the priority or the flavor of the coffee or the next week.
What made us get on?
I don't know. I was given the book before Christmas.
Okay.
And so I'm up to like 35 parts. And I'm going to finish by the weekend. Next week I'm doing the best coffee shop experiences in Vancouver.
Well, you better come back.
Well, I don't know. I may include this in it.
Can't wait to see
it. All three of us. Come on, all of you, get in here. Okay. These are new friends here at the Stir Cafe in Ladner.
And we always want to be friends with people. What's your name?
Danny. Advisor Danny.
Advisor Danny.
This video is going to be in 2 series. It's going to be in the 111 places in Vancouver you don't want to miss, and in the best coffee shop experiences in Vancouver. All right? So you're going to want to come visit this place.
Yeah, thank
You guys are super. We're going to take you with me all day.